Broodiness is a natural behavior exhibited by hens, characterized by their desire to sit on eggs and incubate them to hatch into chicks. While this instinctual behavior is essential for the propagation of the species in the wild, it can pose challenges in commercial layer farming settings. Understanding the causes, effects, and management strategies of broodiness is crucial for maintaining optimal egg production and ensuring the welfare of hens. What is broodiness? Broodiness is a behavioral and physiological phenomenon observed in hens, particularly in breeds that have been selectively bred for egg production. When a hen becomes broody, she will exhibit certain behaviors such as frequent nesting, reluctance to leave the nest, fluffed feathers, and an aggressive or defensive attitude when approached. These behaviors are accompanied by hormonal changes that prepare the hen for incubating eggs. Causes of broodiness. 1. Hormonal changes. Broodiness is primarily driven by hormonal changes in the hen's body, particularly an increase in prolactin levels. This hormone is responsible for stimulating maternal behaviors and preparing the hen for incubating eggs. 2. Genetics. Certain breeds of chickens are more predisposed to broodiness due to their genetic makeup. Breeds such as Silkies, Orpingtons, and Cochins are known for their broody tendencies. 3. Environmental factors. Environmental conditions such as temperature, light intensity, and the presence of other broody hens can trigger or exacerbate broodiness in a flock. 4. Egg production cycles. Broodiness often occurs after a hen has completed a laying cycle, typically around 20 to 30 weeks of age. As the hen's body transitions from laying eggs to incubating them, she may exhibit broody behaviors. Effects of broodiness. 1. Reduced egg production. Broody hens will cease laying eggs or significantly reduce their egg production during the brooding period. This can have a negative impact on the overall productivity of a layer flock. 2. Increased risk of egg spoilage. Eggs left in the nest with a broody hen for extended periods are at a higher risk of becoming dirty, cracked, or spoiled. This can lead to economic losses for the farmer. 3. Disruption of flock dynamics. Broodiness can disrupt the social dynamics within a flock, as broody hens may become aggressive towards other flock members or monopolize nesting boxes, causing stress and discomfort for the other hens. Management strategies. 1. Selective breeding. Breed selection plays a crucial role in managing broodiness in a layer flock. Choosing breeds with lower broody tendencies or incorporating genetic lines that have been selectively bred for high egg production and reduced broodiness can help mitigate the issue. 2. Environmental management. Creating optimal environmental conditions within the poultry house, such as maintaining appropriate temperature and lighting levels, providing adequate nesting space, and minimizing disturbances, can help prevent or reduce broodiness. 3. Nest management. Regularly collecting eggs from nesting boxes, providing clean and comfortable nesting materials, and periodically discouraging broody behavior by gently removing broody hens from the nest can help manage broodiness in a flock. 4. Hormonal manipulation. In certain cases, hormonal manipulation through the use of synthetic hormones or implants may be employed to suppress broodiness in hens. However, this approach should be used judiciously and under the guidance of a veterinarian. 5. Behavioral modification. Implementing enrichment activities such as providing access to dust baths, perches, and foraging opportunities can help redirect the broody behavior of hens and promote overall flock welfare. In conclusion, broodiness is a natural behavior exhibited by hens that can impact egg production and flock dynamics in commercial layer farming operations. By understanding the causes, effects, and management strategies associated with broodiness, farmers can implement proactive measures to minimize its impact and ensure the optimal productivity and welfare of their layer flocks. Take your layer farming to new heights with my ebook Layer Farming Guide. Empower yourself with knowledge, implement best practices, and watch your farm thrive. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and click on the link in the description to get your copy of the Layer Farming Guide today.